In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clients or customers in Freshbooks. Whether you're managing a small business or freelancing, efficiently organizing your client information is crucial, and Freshbooks makes it surprisingly easy. Now, starting from the Freshbooks interface, you'll want to navigate to the Clients section. It's conveniently located in the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the New Client button. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can enter all the essential details for your new client. Begin by filling in the basic information, their first and last name, company name, and email address. While this information is crucial to any client profile, you also have the option to add even more specificity. Fields for phone number and address can help you keep all of your client contact information in one handy location. Moreover, FreshBooks allows you to customize various client settings to streamline future interactions and transactions. For example, you can set preferences for automatic reminders or late fee applications, and even choose a specific language or currency for each client. Once you've input all the necessary details and tailored the client settings to fit your needs, simply hit save and you're all set. Alternatively, if you're working from the dashboard and want a quicker route, click Create New at the top. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll select Client. This process will lead you back to the same form, letting you input all relevant details and save, just like before. This route is perfect when you're multitasking within the dashboard and want to keep your workflow streamlined. There's also an option to add clients directly when you're in the process of creating an invoice. When you're in the Build To area of a new invoice, select Add a Client. From here, a new page or pop-up will appear where you'll enter the client's information. After adding the necessary details, simply save, and your client is now part of your FreshBooks directory. In each of these methods, FreshBooks ensures that your client information is instantly accessible and easily manageable, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Whether you are adding a client for the first time or updating an existing list, these straightforward steps are designed to help keep your client communication smooth and efficient. By making use of these intuitive tools, you'll have a more organized and ultimately more successful business environment. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!